Let's assemble the grader. Don't stop! Let's fuel the grader. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. We need to fix a crack on the grader. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. We did it! To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. Don't stop! We need to assemble the dump truck. That's all. Let's load materials to the dump truck. Let's load the transport with the necessary items. Ready. Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. We need to fix a crack on the dump truck. Keep up the good work. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Choose the same color as in the Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the track laying machine. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the track laying machine. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's lay rails and sleepers. Let's wash the track laying machine. Don't stop! Let's assemble the dray scene. You're doing really great. Now let's load road signs onto the dray scene. Hooray! Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. We need to wash the dressing. Hooray! We need to